Hi everyone, welcome back to Nova Does Cosplay, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how I made my Maki Oze hat from Fire Force. Now if you have not seen Fire Force, you can find it on Funimation right now. It's a super fun anime, I thoroughly enjoy it, and it's by the creators of Soul Eater, so if you liked Soul Eater then you'll probably like Fire Force. I hope you guys like this video, it means so much for your support, and if you could please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If we could get to 400 subscribers before the end of the year, that would be amazing. So anyways, this speed build is on how I made the hat. Basically, all I used was a pre-made witch hat, craft foam, some extra fabric, and studs, and that's about it. Without further ado, I hope you guys like it. Let's cosplay.